They have won awards in different parts of the world. The team leader, the first guy down there, so to speak, that's Captain Dennis Gowan, he's the jump master. Number 2 is Sergeant Audrey Costello. Gavin Clark is behind him. In the foreground, who just popped out of the about 1 minute ago, is Corporal Paul Butch Houghton. Now, if you notice these parachutes aren't landing on the clear area of the beach that I said is in front of us there. Popping in and out of the cloud a little bit, the sun is there. You can see the canopies are black because, of course, they're black nights, and on one side they have the national colours, the tricolour of green, white and orange. You'll see the tail row parachutes sticking backwards now. After coming into land now, he's on trying to approach like an aircraft with a base leg. He gently comes in on trying to approach. He's going to make a perfect landing. Let's see if he can stay on his 2 feet. Last 50 feet there. He's just coming into wind, yes. He's arresting the Vegas, and look at that. Fantastic. The first of the Black Knights on the ground. Using his aircraft, his wing like an aircraft. Pulling back now to slow his rate of descent. And their second Black Knight is on now. Fantastic. Morgan Costello just touching on, followed by pointing off the canopies. Wonderful approach. And yes, just 10 feet to go. Touching on. Superb land. Oh, he pushed his best 150 feet or so. Making a superb approach, slowing himself down. Moving forward at about 10 miles an hour now. Into wind. Just like a fixed wing aircraft. Pulling on the toggles, keeping his legs straight with a pinpoint accuracy. And the last of the Black Knights just touching on the street front of Bray. Another wonderful demonstration. Perfectly good. And just as that happens, the second actor is coming in. Look to your right, look to your south. What do you see? You see something in our English colours. It's an Airbus. No delay between the acts are now. This is an aircraft you would normally see in operations on a summer's afternoon like today at the Dublin Airport, but it's come offline today, especially for us at Bray. The A321, of course, is the largest of the Airbus fleet, powered by 2 CFM 56 engines, very quiet aircraft as you can see. 321 is the longest fuselage version of the Airbus family. It's got a few degrees of lofty cloud, so it's going fast. About 180 knots, just over 200 miles an hour. The Airbus A321, one of our latest. I did mention that it's part of a common fleet. The Airbus 320 and 319 are also in service with our latest. About 2,500 of the type made, still in full production. And the engines, turbofans, CFM, a bit of a wave now, so please do have a look at it. I think it's got the controls, take it easy. It's a triple-pump aircraft, a high-wing aircraft with a T-tail, an ATO of 72. Big wave now to Subartair's ATO. As I mentioned, this is a triple-pump aircraft. It's members of the aircraft have flown these aircraft. That's Major General Ralph James and Brigadier General Paul Fry. They would have flown these very type of aircraft before the SF-360 Marquettis came in power. Now you'll see the team has split up left and right. The aircraft are not the fastest in the world. If you look closely, you'll see that they have fixed wing, fixed undercarriage, I should say. They've got a long, clear glass canopy, long, straight up, rolling over. Declan keeps an eye on David and vice versa. More used to flying 737, keeping a nice formation. Formation flying is not taught that often. It's certainly military skill. 1 or 2 flying clubs do teach formation flying, but it's an art that must be learned and learned accurately in 2014. I did warn you as a hawker hunter named Misdemeanor, a fighter jet of the 1950s, not changed my head to Ireland in a military colour, but in some spectacular city colours, we call them. The top off that with 16,000 feet just tipping the airspace we have booked for us today. Watch as this comes back in again. Cover your ears for the mighty hawker hunter. jet engine trails a little bit of black smoke out the back. 40 metres per minute, I'm told, so he's got extra tanks under the wings. That's what the black things are.
Is that Mama's jalapeno chip? Smash it! Right!
You can clearly see them inverted now in a large barrel roll, pulling along the flight line. They're only feet apart. I'll tell you more about the pilots in a moment as they turn. They've got lights as well, so they're gusting through the light wings here now. Over and round and over they go, doing about 110 knots. They can almost touch each other now. Lovely sound off the light powered aircraft. They do look like good. It's got full ailerons, upper and lower surface, which gives it a fantastic rate of roll. You can see here now, straight over the top. Ooh, feet apart. I believe I'm not, they can hear each other's engines, so the number dispenser, as you can see now, we can clearly see through the sky. He's got a Rolls-Royce jet engine, a Viper. It's a small little jet, but it makes an awful lot of noise for its size. And you can see that he's fitted with an old man in the Middle East. And this is painted up in the Normandy coast. Wonderful sound of which is reminiscent of the US Navy flying schools in the Irish Coast Guard. This is a well-known helicopter manufacturer, has been for many years. The aircraft is powered by two General Electric CT7 turboshaft engines. CT7 engines actually are used in another version of the aircraft as a mark on the short aircraft you will see later on, so they're very powerful, very reliable. This is the version of the helicopters. The aircraft carries 19 passengers if it's an airliner. It can fly 490 nautical miles, or it can search for a full 4 hours and 270 miles. And now look, you can see the commanders down. He was unkindly referred to affectionately as the dome on the road. That's not a very pressure. But there he is, he's going forward at about 20 knots. The winch operator is trying to pilot so far to go to knots below. Look, he's 20 knots. He's got to be landed safely in the back. He's just touched off. That's his knots. Look at this guy there, my goodness, on this coast. He's now being detached. You can actually see the pictures of Bray moving out of the coast ever so finely. We're probably getting wet on the back deck now, but sure. There off he goes again now. Oh, he's hanging upside down. He's showing off now. Quite here is a fantastic view of Bray.